Hey guys, so today's video is a collaboration with Nadula Hair. They sent me over this wig and I was super excited when I saw this wig out the packaging because it reminded me of a wig that I dyed by myself a couple years ago and it looks so freaking cute. The highlights are like all in between to the back. So let me show you guys what came in the packaging and then we'll get right into this install video. This is the box. I open it like this. Comes with the goodie bag, lashes, wig cap, brush, band. Then it comes with another band that says Nadula, another wig cap, a robe, and the satin bag to put everything in. Literally, this wig was so quick to put on. It is a frontal and I did my little glueless method with my bobby pins. So if you guys want to see how I install my wig and if you guys are interested in this wig, I will have it linked down below. And let's get right into this video. Guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. Absolutely love how it turned out. I did not have to do anything extra. Let me know if you guys ever tried this method before, if you're gonna try this method, and if you guys are interested in getting this wig. I will have it linked down below with all the correct specs. Let me show you how far back the lace goes. The lace goes to right here, so it's a 13x4, and this is how full the hair is when I put everything to the back. This wig came out super pretty. I absolutely love highlights, so definitely a mood. Don't forget to check out Nadula Hair, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye! Nadula.